If you are hesitating to choose which business to start, you have come to the right place. Some business models, such as e-commerce or real estate, are well known to have a high success record. But did you know that there are even better industries in the world of business to make more money? These are the 5 business models that will never fail and in which you have the best chances to succeed. Hi, I'm the Matrix Money Maker, and today's video is about the best 5 business models that will last forever and will always be profitable. Make sure to subscribe and watch until the end because I give you a bonus business idea that can change your life. First off is real estate. Most of the world's millionaires are in the real estate business. The fact is that housing is mandatory for all humans. Everybody needs to find a place to live and to stay. It is vital for humans, and therefore the demand for habitations and housing will always increase. Moreover, more money has been made in real estate than in any other industries combined. And this is actually not surprising, considering that just like eating or drinking, having a place where to live and where to rest is a necessity for all human beings. For this reason, real estate has an enviable success record of 85.3% and is a super lucrative business. As renters will pay down your mortgages for you and your properties will rise in value over time, you will have a high amount of monthly cash flow. If you combine all these factors, it is pretty obvious that even though the real estate market can crash, just as any other industry, it will always be profitable and never fail to be a super lucrative business. Real estate is indeed a good business to earn more passive income. 2. Online business. Amazon sold over $500,000 billion in the last year, and this is a 37% increase compared to the year 2019. E-commerce is one of the fastest business industries nowadays, and it is only the beginning, as a variety of new technology pops up and the internet will be involved. As of today, not a lot of people go shopping in stores, and the majority of consumers make their shopping online because it is faster, easier, and there are more products to choose from. In the past few years, many people have made fortunes in e-commerce, and it is not ready to stop because the market is only growing faster over the years. The good thing about online businesses is that you don't have to manage a physical store and worry about the rent and all other little problems that can cause lots of trouble. Furthermore, it is very easy to set up an online store and start to sell online. You can basically sell anything. For instance, Amazon, the biggest e-commerce company out there, sells everything from books to different kinds of foods. And you can potentially start with a small amount of capital and manage to build a big e-commerce brand, such as Gymshark or even Fashion Nova, which are companies that have made hundreds of millions, if not billions, in sales. For these reasons, the online business industry will only improve over the years and never fail in the future. The next one is transportation businesses. Transportation is also one of those things that is necessary for human evolution. As of today, transportation is not only used for people, but also to ship products that are ordered online. Therefore, there is a correlation between the rise of the online business industry and the rise of the transportation business industry. If you manage to start with a good planned strategy, there is no doubt that you will make a fortune in the transportation industry. With the terrific amount of traffic in big cities, private and public transportation have also known a tremendous improvement, with companies like Uber or Lyft that leverage the evolution of information and technology industries to make a lot of profit. Apart from public transportation, there are many prospects in the area. Moreover, there is an increase in demand. Not only does the transportation industry benefit from the rise of e-commerce, but transportation also includes vital features such as medical emergencies, outstations, shifting, ambulances, and so on. Furthermore, if you think about the fact that real estate will keep growing, real estate owners will need transportation to bring the furniture in their properties, and thereby renters will need transportation in order to move from their old apartments to the new apartments. Overall, transportation is just one of those industries that will never fail, and it will potentially experience a drastic increase in demand in the future. That is why these sorts of enterprises have a success record of 76.4%. Agriculture business. As agriculture is one of the most contributors to the world's economy, agriculture is one of those businesses which will last forever, and this is the reason it appears on our list of businesses that will never fail. Since the dawn of time, humans have been living from agriculture, and it is not going to stop now. In fact, we have been saying it since the beginning of the video. Eating is one of the things that human beings cannot live without, and most products from our food comes from agriculture. Aliments such as vegetables are a very important part of our meals, and therefore, as the population is expected to grow even larger, the demand in agriculture industry will skyrocket. In 2018, according to World Bank figures, agriculture contributed to 4% of global gross domestic product and 25% in some countries, which is huge. The agriculture sector refers to the manufacture and sales of agricultural products, including farm equipment and supplies machinery. In addition, there is a really low chance of failure in agriculture, and that is why they have an 88% record success. In comparison, this is even better than the real estate industry, which has a 85% record success. The fifth business model is healthcare businesses. How would you survive if there were no hospital or healthcare service? From clinics, dentistry, and among many other services, healthcare is a fast-paced industry. Even though in the United States, healthcare is very expensive and there is a lot of uncertainty and complexity in it, this is one of the businesses that will never fail. In fact, taking care of ourselves, just like having a place to live, is a necessary aspect of human beings. For this reason, everyone will always need care, and even in times of crisis, people will always need to eat, drink, have a house, but also healthcare. Whether you are an investor, businessman, or entrepreneur, you should try out this industry, as enormous prospects are set to rise enormously in the near future. In the wealthiest countries, as the economy rises and becomes more stable, healthcare will always increase. Furthermore, healthcare consumes approximately 10% of global gross domestic products. And in some countries like the United States, the percentage can go even higher. Thus, healthcare is one of the largest and fastest growing industry in the world and is not expected to go anywhere soon. It is therefore one of the businesses that will not fail. Now, there are some extra businesses which do not really fall into a category and still have a high chance of success. These are the vending businesses where you can sell food or drinks. These may include food delivery services or vending machines. In fact, as food is a resource that nobody can live without, improving the way food is consumed is a brilliant business idea. As of today, people are drawn most of the time to work. For this reason, they don't necessarily have the time to cook, and eating outside is not always an option for everyone because it can be very expensive on a monthly basis. Therefore, making a food delivery service can be a great idea. it is really not complicated to start. At the beginning, you might only need a chief, a person who delivers, and a software app for customers to order. Moreover, this does not require a large amount of money, and as you get clients, your profit skyrockets. Furthermore, as for the vending machine, people who spend their whole day at work could use those in order to nibble from time to time to appease their hunger, and they could even get drinks from it during the whole day at the office. As the world is changing, these business ideas are adapted for innovation and are not expected to fail in the near future. Subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos about how to make money, personal finance, investing, and much more. To see at which financial level you are right now, check out the latest video about the 8 different levels of financial independence. Take care.